guys, welcome back. Today I have another Barbie video and it is a Barbie Cutie reveal. I got this at the dollar store, so they are on the more affordable end. In the United States, I guess you could get them at like, I don't know, Five Below, 10 Below, whatever you have that type of store. I got this one at Dollarama. And have you ever been so excited, like, oh my gosh, it's something cute and new at the dollar store, and when you put it in the cart, you break it? Because I did. I didn't break it, but I did. And now I'm hoping that it's only supposed to have these two pieces. And that, oh, I just threw that one off to the side. And that it was just the glue that let go. And that I didn't actually just get a defective one. But, I mean, I don't know. We will see, because this time I actually read the instructions. It's got a fairly large character, and it's a pet of some sort. I don't know if it's wearing... Okay, and then you get like a coat and something. Anyway, on the back, it says 2 pets and 3 accessories. Uh-oh. Maybe I was missing some. Oh, goodness. Okay, so anyway, I guess I really didn't read that much. 2 pets and 3 accessories. It is official Barbie. It is Mattel. It doesn't have a year that I can see. Of course, I also didn't see that it had 2 pets. I don't know. I like the background. There's no collector guide, but you know what? This could be really cool as... I can't even get it open. If you could get... Okay, that's glued in there real well. I can see the glue dot. But this could be... Oh, do I have a little one? Oh, I do. Okay, this could be... Use your imagination now. This could be a Chelsea pool. Or with the brown... I'll put it like this. This could be a Chelsea sandbox, a ball pit. What else could you do with this? This could be, oh, where's that dog? Okay, I've got the dog back from when I thought it was the vet outfit. Okay, maybe not. I think it's a little too big to be a dog bathtub, so never mind. We'll just put that back. Okay, this packaging alone, if you're saving packaging, oh, I just put her upside down. Awesome Chelsea. It's even got a little handle. That could be a sandbox. So when you're doing the Barbie, I clearly am just going with it today. This right here would be perfect for the Chelsea playground with the swing, the slide, the cornhole. This could be so great. Okay, so we are going to keep the lid. I'm keeping the lid. You know what, little Chelsea girl? You are going to come with me. We are keeping that. Okay, so right off the bat, this cutie reveal, I guess I'm going to have to bring the packaging back, is doing great. Because right now I've already decided I'm going to turn the lid of the container into a sandbox or a ball pit. I don't know, but I'm making use of this. And this is all that it came with. And it came with these 2 pieces. So I'm assuming the pet and the accessories. Now, I did not look hard enough. So tell me in the comments, is there only supposed to be these 2 packages? Or is there supposed to be more and I bought one that someone had taken pieces out of and that's why this was loose? That might be the answer. I don't know. So you know what? We are just going to rip it open. I love finding Dollar Tree. I love finding Barbie stuff at the dollar store because it is so much cheaper or more affordable than buying it from Toys R Us. Because yes, in Canada, we still have Toys R Us, or from Walmart or Target, wherever you're shopping. I love the Dollarama. I think this is the big one. So should we open this one first? It's a cute green question mark. I love that it's paper so that you can recycle it. And apparently we're supposed to get 2 pets. And we got 1. And that is a very scary looking bunny. Okay. I get this now. I understand this now. I think that I'm just missing pieces. But they are pretty tight in there, so I don't know. So in here, we got the bunny, which is super cute. Does its head pop off? No. Is it a color reveal? Are its eyes changing? No. Okay. This is just a cheap feeling Hear that? That's a cheap feeling plastic bunny. I'm not impressed with the quality. Maybe it'll get better. And then there is an instruction. Okay. And it says Barbie Cutie reveal. And you get... No, there's only 2 packages. So why does it say 2 pets and 3 accessories? I guess when you put... Oh my goodness. Water toys. Are they supposed to go wet? Where does it say? Okay, I'm confused. Water toys sometimes get messy, but where does it say water? Oh, okay, so the eyes, I get it now. I get it now. The eyes are going to change. If you look at them there, see how the eyes are different? So if you add heat or cold water, the eye is going to open. I don't have any cold water. Okay, I did not plan cold water. Oh my gosh, that's why this is shaped like a bathtub. Because you put the cold water in, and that's why it's 2 pets, because it changes. Okay. This may not be one of my most exciting videos because we are not going to be able to do the color water change, but I promise you in the next video we will. I just don't have any cold water. But you can see it. Can you see it there, the shape of the eye underneath? Okay, I should have really researched this. Instead, I just got super excited. Okay, and I thought that was a really cool bathtub or plaything, which this is. But to be fair, where does it say I need water? Does it say anywhere that I need water on this? No, so how would I know? I mean, come on. All right, but again, like, that's a cheap bunny. But it came also with this. And this, I'm loving. The quality of this, look at it, even has a Barbie tag. So now, Mattel, if we can put, can you see that? The Barbie tag on the Cutie reveal clothes. Why can't we put them in Barbie clothes? This is an authentic Barbie outfit. We reviewed. There's no tag. So why can this outfit not have a tag, but this outfit can? Mattel. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Do you know what these remind me of? A while ago, and I don't even know how long ago, there was like little animals and they had little bathtubs that they came with and they had these cute little outfits. I actually still have the bathtub. I have it in my Barbie house because my Barbie house didn't come with a tub. I mean, it did originally when it was new, but not when I got it. Oh my gosh. Okay, this whole play set makes more sense. So you need water because you give your little character a bath, its eyes open, you dry him off, his eyes close, you put his little robe in him. Now he's looking pretty cute. I don't know if you could reuse this robe for anyone else because, like, look at the size of it. But we're improving, and that's all that's in here. Like, it doesn't even have a water drop on this. Really? I know I keep going back to that, but how do you expect me to know it's going to involve water so I can plan ahead? I probably should have watched someone else's video. But we're going to just keep on going. So now we have this bunny, which I guess is the 2 pets. Right? And there it's with its little rainbow robe. It's so soft. I wonder if we could put that on Chelsea. We're going to try. Okay. And here are the accessories. So it did say 3 accessories. I like that this is recyclable. Let's see what we got. Okay. Well, they did not lie. Technically, there's 2 pets, even though it's 1 pet. Unless this is the second pet and then 1, 2. Oh, no. Okay, I have figured it out. Again, really. This bunny is the pet. This bunny is the pet. The pajamas or the robe is 1 accessory. And then these 2 things are another accessory. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so is this really worth it then? I don't know. This little pouch, I see. It's like a baby carrier, goes on the front. Really? It's supposed to go like this and hold the... Okay. So this bunny goes in here. But this bunny doesn't even fit in here. Or does the bunny sit like this? This doesn't make any sense. This is supposed to go around the bunny. like this. And it's whole. Okay, let's take the robe off. Let's just take the robe off. I'm not impressed. I can't figure this out. This goes like this, and it goes around it here. It goes around like this. And then it clips. Okay, but how does it hold the bunny? Because it shows it holding the bunny. Is it upside down? Do I have it upside down? Guys, if I have this upside down, I am so sorry. Here I am struggling with this, and it's supposed to be a children's toy. Okay. This clips like this. And again, I can't do the water changing thing because no one told me in the instructions that I needed water. I don't like this. This doesn't fit properly. Okay, moving on. And then we have the Cutie Reveal keychain, and that just clips to this. But this is like a tiny hole, and this is a big clip. So I'm done with that. I don't want that. I do like the little outfit. I love the Barbie tag. This could be, let's find a way to use this. Let's find a way to use what we have. So we have this. Could we put this on a Chelsea? I don't know. Let's try. So here's our Chelsea. Let's see if we can make the robe fit the Chelsea. There. Okay. It's a little. Okay. I mean, there. You know what? That fits. Okay. So Chelsea can use the robe. So worst case, you buy this for the clothing. I don't know what she could do with this. Maybe Chelsea with her. I mean, it doesn't really close, but it does. I think if she had less hair, we could close this. Okay. So Chelsea can wear the robe. So we found a use for that. She could probably wear this little bunny thing. I don't know. But going back to our cornhole and the park, I did say, wouldn't it be kind of cool if we created like a playground, like an amusement park type of thing? I do remember mentioning that, where we could have rides and cotton candy and fun things like that. This set could actually be useful for that, because you know how they have those large hanging prizes? This bunny, where's Barbie? This bunny is the appropriate size as one of those big hanging toys. And then the little bunny is the smaller prize. And if you put the outfit on, it can hang. So you can hang the bunny. Or this, oh, forget that. These could be the hanging prizes, and Chelsea can wear the outfit. And I think that's how I'm going to do it. And I don't know what I'm going to do with this. This has been a disappointment, and I'm calling this a fail. And now I know why. This was at the dollar store, but it did inspire some ideas. So is it really a fail? From a toy perspective, I would not buy this for a child. But if I was planning a photo shoot and I knew kind of what I was getting, because based on this, they're all going to be kind of the same, right? Right? They're all sort of the same. What's on this one? They're all sort of the same thing. So these could be your prizes for your Barbie Carnival, and I'm going to call that a win. So from an adult toy collector, taking pictures of dolls, having fun like that, this is a win for me. To give to kids, I would say steer clear. I don't know. You let me know in the comments. That is it for me for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.